When gearing up your e-bike for optimal storage, choosing between a bag and a pannier is crucial. Bags, mounted on the rear rack, are versatile for various items. They offer excellent accessibility while riding, but the downside is limited space compared to panniers. Panniers, attached to the sides of the e-bike's rear rack, provide significant storage space, ideal for larger items or longer trips. They're great but can be challenging to access while riding and are bulky for short trips. Choose based on your lifestyle and riding needs. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more e-bike content. Thanks for watching.